And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn, and like always, thank you guys for tuning in. I felt like doing a haircut video today. I was like, son, yeah, you need a haircut. It's overdue. It's past due. So I was like, let's record. And he's like, Mom. But yeah, anyway, so I am recording this haircut video for you guys just so that you can see how I cut his hair and line him up and all that good stuff. So before we get into it, I need you guys to remember what? Yep, you got it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. All right, we'll get right into it. All right, guys, so I am doing a skin fade on him, like a medium low skin fade. And right here I have my no guard, and I have it open. And when it's open, it will cut longer. And when it's closed, it will cut shorter. And I will eventually switch it up from long to short. You guys see how I have it angled right here? It's called a drop fade that I'm doing on him. It's when you start higher, like by the temple area, you'll start higher. And then as you go around the head, you start to go down at an angle. So it's not just straight across around the whole head. Alright, so now I'm using my guard, and this is a zero guard. So it's a step up from skin, and I will use the zero guard, and I will also do the same thing with the open and closing of the lever. And you guys, the lever is to help blend out lines. If you don't use the lever, you're going to have hard, harsh lines in your hair. So it's a must that you use the lever to help blend out lines. And of course we have to have an appearance by my little one. I swear y'all, she cannot stay off of this camera. She's always got to find a way, creeps her way down into this view of the camera. So yeah, we have a little guest with us, because I'm pretty sure she'll be right back. I'm still using my zero guard, and I'm just going in there and working out that line as best as I can. You guys, you have to really be patient with it. You have to have an eye for it. You have to see where those lines are not quite blending like they should. So it's something that's going to take time. You can't just rush through a haircut, especially when you're doing a fade. You don't want to just rush through it, because you want to make sure you have everything looking nice and blended, where it kind of looks blurry effect almost, so where you can't hardly see any lines, actually no lines. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Here I'm doing the same thing. I just switched over to my one guard, so I'm going to be doing the same steps that I did with my no guard and my zero guard. And I'm going about an inch above the zero where I left off, just an inch above. I'm not taking it too high because, like I said, I'm doing a medium low fade on him. Okay, so this is the last guard that I'm using. It's the number 2 guard, and I am doing the same exact steps as I did with all the other guards. Here I'm checking for any lines that I might have missed. I'm going back over it, and I'm going to use my no guard to make sure I got that skin to 0 guard, those lines in between there, make sure I got those faded out real good. Y'all, my son's starting to fall asleep on me. I'm taking forever. But this part takes a while. You have to, like I said, have an eye for it and have to make sure you get those lines out of there as best as you can. As I'm brushing it out, you guys, I see some lines that I still want to work on getting out. Being in the natural sunlight and having extra light really helps make the lines stand out so you can see it better as you're trying to blend it out. And I'm going back in with the 0. I'm blending the skin to the 0 guard out, blending that line out a little bit more as well. Okay guys, I finished the rest of the cut off camera, and now I'm getting ready to line him up, and I'm using wall liners, and these are T-blade, and they're also set real sharp, so I'm being extra careful that I don't cut him. So I'm showing you guys my son's calic. He's got a calic right there in the front, right there on his hairline. And that can be tricky, cutting somebody's hair that has a calic on their hairline, because you have to watch that you don't cut too far back into their hairline and make the lining way too far back. So just be careful whenever you're lining them up. See, y'all, this is what I'm telling y'all about. Here she is again, making her appearance. I'm telling y'all, look at her in this wig. Oh, and she's got some pink lipstick on. She's got to show y'all. She's got to show y'all what she's working with, all up in the camera. But she keeps us on our toes, for sure. I will be using this conditioner here, this intensive conditioner. I will be using that to help protect his skin. That way I don't cut him. And you guys, I think I got this from Sally Beauty, I believe. I ordered it online a while back, but I don't remember how much it cost. But yeah, this is what I will use as a skin protector. So guys, I'm still just learning this. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm still just learning this. And one thing I learned is you definitely have to hold the skin tight, so that way you do not scrape or cut your client. And also always use some type of skin protectant, that way they do not get cut. Another important thing to remember is always have the razor pointing towards you when you're cutting. Never have it pointing away from you, because that's a definite way to cut your client. And hey, we don't need any of that. We don't need any blood, any hurt clients. We need all our customers happy and coming back to see us. And I'm going to use this product to help bring out his curls, moisturizing curl activator. This too I got from Sally Beauty online. Don't remember the price, but this product, I love it because it helps bring his curls out and also moisturizes his hair too at the same time. And last product I'll be using is the Blue Magic, just for some extra conditioning, extra moisturizing in his hair. I love this stuff. I've had it for a long time, and I got it from my local beauty supply store, so you should be able to find it with no problem. So this is pretty much my routine of how I cut his hair and the products that I use to make his curls pop and moisturize his hair. I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed it. Make sure you guys thumbs it up, like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff that you got to do. And hey, thank you guys for watching. Peace and God bless.